Welcome back. Today we will learn about making a crochet square shape. A granny square. Let's make it.
To make the square, that is also called granny square, we will start with the 3 chain. First we will make slip knot. And then we will make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will make our 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain from hook. If you see from top, 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain, and in that we will make 3 double crochets. Wrap them in the hook, go in the 3rd chain here, the top loop the chain, wrap them on the hook, pull it through the chain, wrap them on the hook, pull through first 2 loops, wrap the yarn on the hook again and pull through next 2. We got our first double crochet. Now we'll make second one, wrap the yarn on the hook, go in the chain, the same space where we went last time. Yarn over and bring a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. In the same way, we'll make the 3rd one. Wrap them on the hook, go in the chain, yarn over, pull a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over again. Yarn over means yarn wrapping on the hook, and then pulling through next 2 loops. We got our first 3 double crochet. Here we will make 2 chains. Why we are adding 2 chains? You will see in few minutes. After making 2 chains, we will make 3 more double crochets in the same place. That's the first one, second, and third. Do you see? Let's see more. Add 2 more chains. Now make 3 more double crochets in this space. Chain 2 creates a square shape, means it creates a corner. If you made chain 2 at 4 equal spaces or giving 4 equal spaces in between them, then we get a corner. So we got our second corner after giving this second chain 2. And corner give us squares. Now we will again make chain 2 third time, and then again in the same space, this row, we will make 3 more double crochets. We want to have 4 sets of 3 double crochet. How much we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 sets and we have 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Here we need our 4th corner for the square. So what we will do? We will make chain 2 again. Yes, to create our 4th corner. So as our 4 sets of 3 double crochets are done, there are called clusters as well. So we will make a slip stitch on the top of chain 3 here. This was the chain 3 in the start, and make a slip stitch. Yarn over the hook, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop as well to join and to create a slip stitch. So here we will pull the short end of yarn here now, close the hole, and you can see we have our mini square. Now let's increase it and turn it into a granny square. So here we will make our chain 2 again to start the second round, and we will make our first set of 3 double crochets in this space, in this chain 2 space. Grab the yarn on the hook, go back in this space and make a cluster, means 3 double crochets. Now make 2 chains again. We want to create another corner and then make one more cluster. In the corners we will make this cluster, chain 2 and one more cluster to create the corner from now on, like this. And now we will go in the next corner, chain 2 space, and we will create the same thing, cluster, chain 2, a cluster in this corner here, chain 2 space. Three double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochet means cluster, and then one more cluster. Again in the next corner, chain 2 space, we will repeat the same thing, cluster, chain 2 and cluster. Here we are creating it with a granny stitch or clusters. We can do the same thing with the simple double crochets as well, that we will do in another video. Here in the next space, chain 2 space, we will repeat the same process, cluster, chain 2 and cluster. Again secure this hole, close it, and you can see we got again our 4 corners. And now what we will do is we will join on the top of chain 3 to complete our round. Make a slip stitch and join our round. From this round number 3, everything changes, and it will be repeated to make the granny square as big as you want to. Here we will create one cluster in the middle as well. In the middle spaces, can you see this? There's a space between the 2 clusters, and on each side there's one space. One on this side, one on this side, one on this side, one on this side. So here we made a clusters. So we'll start the round like we did in the previous round, chain 2, and we will make our first cluster in this space. Only 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will go in the next chain 2 space here, and we will repeat the same thing as we did in the previous row, cluster, chain 2 and cluster. That's the same thing that we did in the previous round. Now we have this space in the middle. In this space we will make 3 double crochets. With every bigger round, like in the round number 4, we will get 2 more spaces like this, and in the same way when we go the granny square bigger, you will get more spaces. And repeat the same process here, cluster, chain 2 and cluster. Again in the middle space we will make chain 3 double crochet, and then we'll make cluster, chain 2 cluster, 3 double crochets, and cluster, chain cluster, and at the end we will join on the top of chain 3. Complete the round in the same way. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. I have completed the round and now I'll join on the top of chain 3 by making a slip stitch. And with that we completed our granny square. These granny squares are very useful. You can turn them into scarf. You make granny square in multiple colors. You can make many granny squares and then join them together to create a bag. You can create a scarf. You can create a blanket. You can create even a shirt, cardigans as well when you have more advanced skills. So that's it. Practice this granny square and tell me how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.